Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down 0.2% today. Not a lot happening today, actually. Really, it's about what's happening tomorrow. So we get the big jobs report tomorrow, which will tell us how many jobs were created last month. If you remember, the last jobs report was actually kind of shockingly low, and they were attributing that to the hurricanes that had happened as far as that goes. And so this report, the expectation is 220,000 jobs. I think it was about 112,000 jobs last month. So 220, and that unemployment would stay at the same level at 4.1%. So we'll find out in the morning, what it actually is. And the market kind of does a risk off day today. I think you can really see that in the small cap stocks, which are down almost 1.3% today. And so, when people are a little bit worried about what the report might say, they tend to take some money off the table and wait and see and jump back in depending on what happens as far as that goes. So, I would expect that the report will probably be fine. Um, the markets have been doing quite well. The job market has been sometimes kind of bending, but definitely not breaking. We did have unemployment at a lower level at 3.4% at one point here not too long ago. So it's up a little bit higher. And so it's a weird report because if it's really hot, then the market starts worrying about the inflation aspects of that. And if the market's really soft, then the market starts worrying about the recession aspects of that. Although if it's softer than expected, probably more likely than we get the rate cut on the 18th of December here when they do that. So these things have a lot of different, connotations right now that we don't normally have. Usually we're just talking about the recessionary aspects because the last time we had big inflation was back in the, late 70s, early 80s. And so, this is a new thing that we've been dealing with here, since 2022, essentially with this higher inflation, actually probably since 2021, actually, I should say, higher inflation numbers that are coming through as far as that goes. Inflation has tamed back down quite a bit. The core PCE is down at 2.8% right now. Needs to be at 2% as far as the target goes for the Fed. So, we'll see how they handle that. But I think the Fed is okay with something in the 2 to 3% range would be my guess for what they're actually doing right now. So anyway, not a bad day. I'll see what happens tomorrow. Definitely be talking about the jobs report on the show tomorrow. Be doing the show live from 12:15 to 1. Go to YouTube, look up, Talk Money with Tom, and you can throw in some questions if you'd like that we'll try to answer during the show. Anyway, look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.